What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. We are standing in front of our 2022 Honda Civic LX, where I'm going to show you how quick and how easy it is to change the cabin air filter within it. We are going to install a cabin air filter from this company, Trilago. You could get this for about $9 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. That's way cheaper than taking your car to your dealer, where they are going to charge you close to $100 to do the same exact work that you can accomplish in less than 5 minutes. Let's get into it. All right, let's kick this off by opening that front passenger door, getting in that front passenger seat and opening that glove compartment. And once you open it, make sure you take everything out of it. And we know there's stuff in there. Next thing we're going to do is squeeze in on both sides of the glove box. This is the right side. We're going to squeeze in right here. And what that's going to do is pop out these tabs. There's one on this side and then one on the other. So you just push in on each side. And as you can see, those tabs pop out. There's one, and then there is the other. And right under that is a little hook that we are going to pop off of the little piece of plastic that it's attached to. You simply push in and it'll pop right off. As you can see, the glove box went down a little bit, and you can move this right out of the way. You can just push up and we'll grab that and pull that back down later. Next, we're just going to pull straight back on our glove box. By doing that, we'll pull the glove box off the hinges that are located on each side of it. Just give it a brief little yank and it'll pop off both sides. All right, and if you're curious, here are the pieces that we just removed the glove box from, right here, and then on the other side, right there. And now we can see in the back of our glove compartment the cover to where the cabin air filter exists. And you simply just pop the tabs on each side to remove this. And that will display your filter. And then just pull the filter straight out. Oh, and ours has a little rip in it, in fact. So this is probably definitely due for a replacement. As you can see, this is really dirty, leaves and everything. Here are the filters right next to each other, so you can see they are the same size. It doesn't matter which direction the folds are going in each of the filters. As you can see, they're going in opposite directions. What matters is that you have a filter, it fits, and it's working. All right, so we're just gonna grab our new filter and push it right back in to the slot. Just to double check here, make sure when you push your filter in, the arrow on the filter is facing down. And now we're going to grab the cover of our cabin air filter compartment and pop that right back into place. I'm going to turn off the camera because I can't do this with just one hand. And now we are going to get our glove box and hang it right back on the two hinges. Pull it up. And you're gonna push in on each side until you hear each side click. There's one, there's two. Then we're gonna grab each side of the glove box and push up so these tabs go back into place, like so. Then we are going to grab our hook or damper right here and bring that back down and reconnect it to that little piece of plastic right here. And if this is pushed up a little bit, it moves. Just bring it back down. Put that underneath the plastic and press up. You'll hear it click. And you're in good shape. Put all your stuff back in your glove box, and we know you have stuff because everybody has stuff. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody.